We'll guide you through how to fix the top margin for a cover page Google Docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because adjusting margins in Google Docs is not always obvious for beginners. Proper margin settings are important for formatting documents neatly, especially for assignments, reports, or printing. Users want clear guidance to avoid layout mistakes, meet formatting requirements, and ensure their documents look professional and well-structured without trial and error. To begin the process, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop so you can easily access your applications. Next, search for Google Chrome using the search bar to quickly locate the browser. Once it appears in the results, open the Google Chrome application on your computer by clicking on it. After the browser launches, navigate to Google Docs by typing it in the address bar and pressing Enter on your keyboard. From the results or suggestions shown, click the link for the official Google Docs website to ensure you are accessing the correct platform. When the page loads, log into your account, and the Google Docs home feed will appear with your available files and templates. At this stage, you may start a blank document or select an existing document example, depending on your needs. As a demonstration, we will open a project from recent documents to continue. The document you have selected will open immediately and be ready for editing. To adjust the top margin, begin by clicking the File menu located at the top left corner of the document interface. After clicking, a pop-up menu will appear displaying various file-related options. Scroll down through the list and click on Page Setup to access layout settings. Once selected, a new dialog box will appear on your screen containing margin and page configuration options. In the top section under Margins, set the value as you desire. For example, we will enter 0.5 to reduce the top margin space. Carefully review the other margin values if necessary, but only adjust what is required for your task. After entering the desired value, ensure everything is correct and click OK to confirm your changes. The top margin will change its position according to the value you entered, and the document layout will update instantly. This adjustment allows you to control spacing at the top of your page, making your document look cleaner and more organized. By following these steps carefully, you can easily customize your document layout in Google Docs without confusion or errors.